Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fan Cuisine. Today guys, we're going to make some salsa, okay? Today is Tuesday and then we have to make some Mexican dish, okay? So let me show you guys what I have for you. I was going to make some taco guys. I said, you know what, let me just make some salsa. Okay, so here's what I have. I have one whole onion, okay? I'm going just to use half of it, okay? And I have one and a half jalapenos, okay, and I have cilantro, and then I have four tomatoes, and I have three garlic cloves, okay. So, and here in that cup, I have some red chili powder and cumin and some, 1 teaspoon of salt, okay, and I have some lime juice, one lime, okay, and I'm going to use my hand blender, okay guys, because I'm not gonna do too much stuff, so I'm not gonna use a big blender, okay, and I have my chips, okay, for my salsa, okay, so let's start cooking guys. First, I'm going to start with my tomatoes, okay, let me open that. Just not too big, not too small guys, okay. Just almost dropped that. For my garlic guys, I think I'm going to use like 3 cloves of them, okay, 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, and let me finish with my tomatoes. Okay, and that. Okay, and I'm going to cut up my jalapeno and clean it up. Guys, I have to be careful with that knife guys, so sharp. Okay, just chop it up. Okay. Cutting my onions. Okay, going to just half. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm going to add my cilantro. Okay, and mixing up you know what, let me get some towel paper to clean up my board. Okay, I don't like when I'm cooking guys to see a lot of mess. Okay, now I'm mixing up all my spice. Okay, and I'm adding my lime juice. Okay, black pepper. Oh guys, I forgot to get my olive oil. I'm going to get it. Go get it. Okay. Okay, when we come back, we'll finish. Okay, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, I have my olive oil. Okay, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon, not too much. Yep. Okay, close it up. Okay guys, I'm going to blend that up. Okay, when we come back, When we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, everything is done. Okay, you see that? So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to put it in my bowl. Okay, and then I have my chip. Going to put it in the plate. See, it's very easy, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm going to get my plate, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, everything is finished. Let me show you guys my plate. I told you guys it was gonna be easy. You see that? Okay, there it is. My delicious salsa. Okay, very easy, guys. Okay, all right guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and remember to share with your family and friends, guys. And if you have any comment, please leave whatever comments you have down below, guys. Okay, and guys, give it a try. This is very easy and simple, guys. Okay, whenever you have time, just go ahead and on your Tuesdays, or if you don't wanna, go for tacos, you can just go ahead and then do that. Okay, so thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.